Today we will prune the beauty Krasotka variety grapes. Here are several tertiary branches that are ready for us to bear fruit. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 tertiary branches. I will clean the tertiary branches that bear fruit. The lateral shoots, the 1, 2 and 3 buds look ready to bear flowers. We can also cut this side of the bud. But because there is fruit that is still green, I leave it so that the nutritional supply runs smoothly. Let's cut it here. I'll throw away the buds below here that look small, because they don't have the potential to bear fruit. Then I'll cut these big buds. Just throw the leaves away. We'll move on to the other branches with the same treatment. We'll cut them on the buds that have the potential to bear fruit, with the characteristic that the buds look enlarged, not oval. Not sure how many buds. The important thing is that they are big. Here sometimes there are leaves that I also leave in order to maintain the health of the tree. Maybe this is what we can prune today. We will see the results later. Hopefully everything will bring maximum flowers. Don't forget to subscribe to support farmers like me. Hopefully we will all be happy taking care of the plants around us. See you in the next video.